Welcome back to ASM Motor Group. Today, 7 road rules that most British drivers get wrong, and what each one actually costs you. Turning right at crossroads, the safer way. When two vehicles are turning right towards each other at a crossroads. Rule 181 recommends turning offside to offside, right side to right side, passing behind each, because it gives each driver a clear view of oncoming traffic. Turning near side to near side blocks that view. This is guidance, not a must. It isn't an enforceable offence on its own. But ignoring it is a common cause of crossroads right turn collisions. Passing in front of each other feels natural but hides oncoming traffic from both drivers until it's too late. A filthy windscreen is a live driving offence. Windscreens and windows must be kept clean and free from any obstruction to the driver's view at all times while driving, not just on MOT day. And windscreens or front side windows must not carry excessively dark tint. This covers more than mud and ice. Sat-navs, parking permits, air fresheners or phone mounts placed so they block part of the driver's view can be treated the same way. It's typically prosecuted as failing to have a full view of the road ahead, which carries a fine and points even without a crash. Get it wrong and it's typically charged as failure to have full view of the road and traffic ahead. Fine up to £1,000. Turning into a side road, pedestrians go first. Since the 2022 update, Rule H2O requires drivers and motorcyclists to give way to pedestrians who are crossing or waiting to cross a road that they are turning into or out of. Before 2022, many drivers believed pedestrians had to wait for a gap in turning traffic. It's now the reverse. A pedestrian already stepping into that side road has priority over your turn, even though you're the one moving with the flow of traffic. That painted circle, you must drive around it. Mini roundabouts are approached the same way as normal roundabouts, and all vehicles must pass around the central white markings. Only large vehicles physically unable to do so are exempt, because the roundabout is just a flat painted circle rather than a raised island. Many drivers treat it as optional and cut straight across. That's a breach of Rule 180, which also warns there's less space and less time to signal here, so U-turns should be avoided. Sunset means lights on, whether you feel you need them. Side lights and rear number plate lights must be lit between sunset and sunrise. And headlights must be used at night, except on roads with proper street lighting. Night is legally defined as the period from half an hour after sunset to half an hour before sunrise. Most drivers wait until it feels dark enough before switching lights on, by which point they can already be past the legal cutoff, especially on unlit country roads at dusk. Since the legal definition of night starts just 30 minutes after sunset, not once it's fully dark. 2022 rule change, who's really responsible? Since the Highway Code was updated on 29 January 2022, Rule Hone sets out a hierarchy of road users, those in charge of vehicles that can cause the greatest harm in a collision. Drivers of large vehicles, vans/minibuses, cars/taxis and motorcycles, bear the greatest responsibility to reduce the danger they pose to pedestrians, cyclists, and horse riders. This is a principle, not a rule that hands anyone automatic right of way, but it's the foundation for the more specific 2022 rules that many drivers are still unaware even exist. 4 years after they came into force, a rectangle's color tells you what road it is. Direction and information signs are mostly rectangular. Background color shows the class of road. Blue equals motorway, green equals primary route. White with a black border equals local/non-primary route. Brown equals tourist attraction. The panel color on a direction sign is itself information about the road ahead. Before you've even read the place name, a blue panel destination means motorway standard road. The same name on white means the ordinary road. Brown is always a detour to an attraction, never a shortcut. That's today's rules. ASM Motor Group, MOT, servicing and repairs, and we can come to you. Find us at asmmotorgroup.co.uk.